Now, summer is here, of course, and people are flocking to the beach this holiday weekend, but all the sun could be, as we all know, dangerous and could cause skin cancer.
But there are some things that you can do to protect yourself. Joining us right now, Dr. Lisa Chipps, a dermatologist, also a cosmetic surgeon, and we're told that you specialize in skin cancer treatment. All right, we know we're supposed to wear sunscreen. That's rather obvious, but I'm guessing you have a lot of products you want to tell us about, because some are a little bit better than others.
Sure. Well, when we're wearing sunscreen, that's part of the overall prevention strategy for preventing skin cancer. I'm a board-certified dermatologist, and we know as dermatologists that the incidence of skin cancer has been increasing dramatically. A recent study from the Mayo Clinic showed that increase in basal cell carcinoma, the most common skin cancer, has gone up 143% in the years 2000 to 2010 versus 1976 to 1984. So this is an epidemic. It's affecting 1 out of 5 Americans. And there are several things we do to help to prevent skin cancer from forming. One of them is sunscreen. So sunscreens need to be broad spectrum to protect against both the UVA rays and the UVB rays, both of which contribute to skin aging and to skin cancers. And they also need to be broad, so they're broad spectrum, they need to be SPF of 30 or higher to offer adequate protection.
So not 15?
So that 30 or higher is a better choice, because that'll cover about 97% of the ultraviolet radiation. In addition, you have to like your sunscreen. So there are many formulations of sunscreen on the market. Some are better for the face, some are better for the body. Sometimes children like sticks or sprays. You know, sometimes we like it as a more matte finish. There are many options, and the best sunscreen is the one that you will wear and reapply frequently.
I think a lot of people don't realize, you know, if they're not wearing sunscreen, they are literally burning their skin, which is fine, you know, if you want to age and, you know, age quicker. But this cancer situation, I mean, with the moles and with pigmentation on your face and the rest of your body, people don't take it seriously sometimes.
Sometimes, but I think awareness is definitely higher than it was when we were young, you know, so I think we're going in a good direction as far as educating the public. But still, I encourage my patients to avoid tanning beds in particular, because that definitely increases the risk of melanoma and non-melanoma skin cancers, and to use other preventative measures.
Is the spray okay? Can you spray tan?
Spray tan is safe. There's some concern about inhaling the ingredients of the spray tan, so make sure you keep your mouth closed and cover the eyes and nose. But the spray tan is a safe option.
I surf a lot. We're always told to use zinc. I don't see any of the zinc up here. Is there any zinc that you would recommend?
Zinc is in many of these products, actually. So zinc and titanium are physical sunscreens that sit on the skin and reflect the sun's rays away. And for surfers and people who are in the water a lot, that is a good option. Another good thing to remember is to wear your rash guards, your protective clothing, because that'll help to protect. It's hard to reapply every 40 minutes or 80 minutes when you're surfing, right? Yeah. It's hard to do.
I'm with you there.
Yeah, exactly.
But he's happy.
Somebody's happy.
All right,
and there are other preventative things that we can do as well, such as taking vitamin B3, which has been shown to reduce your risk of non-melanoma skin cancer and to be good for anti-aging, and to use creams that contain DNA repair enzymes, which also have been shown to decrease skin cancer. And then see your dermatologist for skin exams and mole checks, and possibly laser resurfacing, which again can reduce the risk of these skin cancers.
Great advice.
Thank you very much.
So much.
All right.
We really
Thanks,
appreciate it.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
My pleasure.
All right, coming up this afternoon, Doug Kolk is here now with your entertainment report. Hey, Doug.
Well, you know, coming up, I'm just a fellow Jersey boy, and I had an opportunity that I just couldn't resist, joining the Tony Award-winning play Jersey Boys. Coming up, you'll see my behind-the-scenes big debut on stage. Plus, here's Gail.
It's Pet Adoption Day. If you're a member of the military, the SPCALA and the Animals for Armed Forces Foundation is making adoption available to you for free. How's this work? We'll explain when we return.